So in the last part, I left you with some introduction about how does the reflector works and what do you mean by this red and blue concepts. So why the red color is shown when the red color is shown and when the blue color is shown. So now let's see the how can we convert the solar energy into electric energy. Now let's turn to the main subject of this video. So due to the heat of the sun, remember, due to the heat of the sun, the water that is passing through these pipes, so the water that is passing through these pipes gets heated. So this is red color shown that it is heated and that it is sand, and then it's converted into steam with some extra heat, or yes, with mostly some extra heat by using some mechanical device. It's converted into steam, and this steam is used to rotate the turbine. So this steam is used to rotate the turbine. Now this part, let me copy and paste that. Copy. So this part, I'm copying it, pasting it, and so this part, so this part, it contains the turbine. It's a cover to the turbine. So this is actually the cover. So this is the cover to the turbine, and the turbine lies inside it, and mostly the turbines have the shape like this, but also the turbines depend on which type of energy source you use. So most of the turbines are, the what I'm drawing here, they are not so shabby or so badly constructed. They are good, but my drawing is much shabby. So this is what a turbine looks like. So a turbine, this is what a turbine looks like. Most of the turbines actually, so most of the turbine, mostly turbine. So this is the turbine, and then the turbine moves, and this the force, hence you will see that heat energy is transformed into kinetic energy. So heat energy was somewhere here. So and heat energy transformed into kinetic energy. So heat energy is transformed into kinetic energy of turbine. Now the kinetic energy of the turbine is used to rotate the generator, and the electricity is produced. Now the water that was now you can see light blue color, that is the temperature of water has again decreased as it has moved the turbine, but we need to lower the temperature again in order for more energy and less wastage of water. So we need to reuse that water. So the water is sent to a the steam is sent to a condenser. Actually, this is also the steam. The temperature of the steam is less now, and then it is sent to condenser, where it is again converted into water. Then it passes through the cooling tower. Cooling tower converts steam into ice, or you can say water at high temperature into ice. So cooling tower converts cooling tower converts water. Now I'm writing water in red, that is high temperature water, into lower temperature water, that is I'm using blue color. So water at lower temperature. So converts condenser converts water at higher temperature into water at low temperature. Then this water is again sent back, and the process keeps on going till it's daytime and we have got sunlight here. And the electricity may be directly used or sent to the power grid. So they can be sent to the power grid or can be stored in a battery. So this, and you can see that we have not used any solar cells here. So we have converted the heat energy of the sun into the electric energy without using any solar cells. So this is the that solar cells are costly, so most of them use this way because it's much cheaper than directly using the solar photovoltaic cell. So this image, you can see the lots of solar, the reflectors here. So these all are reflectors. You can check the cursor, you can change the cursor here, and this might be the power plant into which all the electricity or it can also be the home of that turbine where the turbine is situated, and this might be the cooling tower. I'm stressing the word might because because it's not labeled here, and I have not even visited this place. So, and this pipe, this is the pipe. Now I will more highlight it, some good highlighting colors. This is good. So this is the pipe. So this is the pipe. It's stretching. It's going through all. Actually, mostly it's the different pipes are used in different, and this is different rows actually, and this is the row. So this whole constituents row. So now it this the we have completed with the conversion of solar energy into electric energy without using the solar cell. Yes, these were more. This video took a lot of time, but I hope they might be enjoying for you.